Hey y'all, Mike here with Raider Dog Ranch. Today we're going to be reviewing this nice little cook set that I recently got. This is the Pathfinder Stainless Steel Bottle Cooking Kit. Several different things in here. Let's get into it. I usually keep this cook set attached to my pack here. You can see I do use the MOLLE rings attached, so it's very secure. Adds a little weight to the pack, but it's a really easy way to carry it. It doesn't take up space inside the pack and very secure to the pack. Let's talk about the measurements. It's about 11 inches high, about 5 inches across. You can see there's a pouch in the front, and it's about 7 inches front to back. We'll start with this outside pocket. You can see the MOLLE webbing on the front here, on the sides. There is a shoulder strap. If you want to carry this solo, there is a strap for that. Some cooking utensils. Within those, it looks like you got some fat wood for fire starters. A ferro rod with a striker. Very nice. The fisheye hooks. These will separate out, so you can pick it up when it's on a hot fire. And the combination spoon fork. Not really a spork, but it's kind of the same. Check out this fire starter. Looks like a glow-in-the-dark handle on the back. Some little measurements here. Can opener and the scraper. You can scrape from these edges or from this edge. For the ferro rod, when it's untied, it's got plenty of room to strike. Get that first coating off. It's a pretty good spark. All right, I got all that tucked away. You can see there's a lot of room in here. Definitely a lot more room than what the stuff that they have here. I'll probably outfit this with some more stuff. I'll do another video on turning this into sort of a all-in-one carry for short-term survival. Let's get into the main pouch. Again, you can see there's a lot of extra room here. There's probably 2 or 3 inches of room here to add whatever you want to add. I've seen people add tuna cans or cans of chicken, whatever, things like that would fit nicely in there. Or you can add, you know, pretty much whatever you want, if it's food or not. So there's the lid. This is the base. Set it down like this, and you can have fire underneath that. Allows it to breathe. Set that aside. Here's your 32-ounce wide mouth bottle. It's got a sealed lip. Pretty straightforward. Obviously it's not insulated, it's a single walled. That way you can put fire on it without worrying about destroying it. And this is the nesting cup. Nice drinking cup. Should be able to see in here. Got measurements, ounces and milliliters. See the holes on the sides. Oh, that fits nice and snug. Very nice. I'm going to take out the fisheye hook and show how that's supposed to go. So that would go here. Looks like those need to bend out a little bit. And I need to align it better. So if I set it like that, you'd be able to hook it. Looks like it needs to stretch out a little bit, but yeah, the way they package it, it was packaged closed up like this to keep it nice and tight, but now it's going to need to bend open. Like that. So if you have a fire, obviously you want to pick that up by this handle or by this. That will sit by itself. You can use a stick to pick that up off the fire. So if you have large amounts of water to sterilize, then you could use this. Otherwise, you could use this. Obviously, this is more designed to be put over the fire since it's got the handle. There's no way to protect your hands. If you were boiling on this, you can't leave the lid on it because this is plastic. So you would have to wait for that to cool down. Unless, oh, I don't know if that's designed to do that or not. I should read the directions. That works pretty well though. This kit weighs about 2.5 pounds. This bag you can get in black or coyote. Notice there's a drain hole in the bottom. One difference that they talk about a lot between Gen 2 and Gen 3 is this one is just the canvas bag on the inside. I think they had like a vinyl liner on the inside with previous versions, and things would snag and get caught in and out, so it would start ripping up the bag. So this one does not have that in the Gen 3. Let's put it back all in the container. We'll close that. As I mentioned, that's a nesting bottle. This one goes over top, so that's how it sits in there, and the top just rests like that. There's a lot of extra room in the bag. I think I'm going to take advantage of that. I'll be doing another video on packing this out a little better into a full camp out set, a very minimalistic kind of survival setup. There you go. If you watched my video on the Gerber Prodigy knife, I think I may use these MOLLE rings to be able to attach a large knife instead of going with a smaller knife on the inside. So this is the Pathfinder Survival Cookware Kit. You can find it on selfreliantoutfitters.com or on Amazon, where I have a link below in the description. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, give us some love. And if you enjoy this type of content, we'll be bringing a lot more of it. Please consider subscribing to the channel and hit that notification bell to be the first alerted when new videos come out. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you next time.